Awareness dawns in infancy. Intelligence awakes and takes control. These white-faced capuchins in Central America are very clever. In fact, capuchin monkeys have a larger brain for their size than any of our closer ape cousins. One group near the coast is able to track the tides. When the water retreats, clams are exposed and easy to collect. But not so easy to open. The trick is to roll and bang the clams hard and often for a long time. The thought of what's inside is what keeps them going. It's hardly fast food. Monkeys like us imagine food they can't yet see, and it drives them on. After 10 minutes, the clams start to weaken, and the capuchins can pull open the shells. If you're disappointed, it can only be because you've imagined more. Opening clams is just the beginning. Some troops have discovered how to get the best out of termite mounds, or reach water by using their tail as a sponge. The young learn from their parents. They have what scientists call a culture, monkey culture. But the most important things for monkeys to understand are their fellow monkeys. Outsmarting each other can make the difference between life and death. Most animals are wary of outsiders and defend their territory. In monkeys, this has become a battle of wits. The capuchins move around like chess pieces, testing their defenses, trying to trap unwary scouts. Previous battles and old grudges fuel the aggression. In monkey society, everyone is an individual and different rules can apply. Friends fight for each other. Rivals and foreigners can be killed if you can catch them. Our feelings for friends and enemies are chillingly similar. This is part of our nature too. More capuchins are killed by each other than by any predator. The invaders retreat with nothing gained from the battle except injuries. If murder and morality have roots in our past, then so too does compassion. The fighters return and are soothed and nursed. Hands that, when they were tiny, explored the world and opened a mind, now demonstrate a gentle understanding of others. Grooming does more than clean wounds and remove parasites. It shows respect and affection. Monkeys' attention to their health goes even further. Some monkeys have discovered a few simple medicines. The leaves of the piper plant are antiseptic and used by people here in Costa Rica as an insect repellent. When a capuchin finds a piper plant, they all become very excited, sharing, rubbing, disinfecting, and turning it into a party. Self-medication becomes a social event. We do the same. Think of tea and alcohol. A need to try everything is an extraordinary way to survive in the jungle. Here are leaves that can cure disease or repel insects, feed you or poison you. Knowledge, technology and culture are rooted here in the forest, in the hands of monkeys.